Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darin and this is DerinsCorner. On today's episode of DerinsCorner, I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy breakfast recipe. This is a breakfast you can actually prep the day before and you're good to go in the morning. And I'm going to be using a special kitchen tool, which is an Immersion Blender Set that I got from Kitchen Joints. So you can find Kitchen Joints at the Kitchen Joint. I'm also going to be linking the website below in the comment section, so feel free to check them out. They have lovely kitchen products and you can always find something that you would use. But before we go ahead with this recipe, why don't you click on the subscribe button, which is that button you're going to be seeing on your screen, and then also on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. So this is the Immersion Blender Set that I got, and this blender set is very useful. It's going to replace lots of your kitchen equipment. It has an electric whisk, it has an immersion blender, so if you want to blend anything inside the pot, instead of you transferring whatever you want to blend, you can just blend it in the cup. You can use this for your smoothie, you can use it for a lot of things, and it also has that smoothie cup, which is the cup I'm going to be using for my overnight oats. So this thing is so useful. I've used this several times since I made this video, and it is something you should try. So it's a very versatile kitchen equipment. So I'm just going to couple my immersion blender, and I'm just getting it ready to be used for my overnight oat. So let's get into it. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using Quaker oats, which is the normal old-fashioned rolled oats. You can also use any brand. I'm going to be using 3/4 cup of milk. You can use almond milk. I'm going to be using banana, and I'm going to be using almonds and yogurt. So I'm going to put my oat in the blender cup. I'm going to add my milk to it. I'm going to add my almond, and I'm going to be adding some water and yogurt into this, and then of course my banana. So once I finish adding everything, the next thing would be to blend it. So now that I'm all done, I'm just going to blend it. You can see how this immersion blender is so easy to use. So no need for you to use like a blend tech or whatever NutriBullet or whatever form of blender. This is so easy to use. So I'm just going to be blending it in place, and yeah, I'm going to make it very smooth. So once I finish blending, I'm just going to put it inside my jar, and I'm just going to close it up and put it in the fridge for tomorrow. So that's it, guys. This is so easy, and you can make a lot of batches and then put it in the fridge, and then every day you just pick one and you go to work. So that's it. So that's my overnight oats all done. So next I'm going to be making my eggs, and I'm going to be using the blender portion of my Immersion Blender Set for this, and this is just like a normal blender. And so I'm just going to be blending some onions, some tomatoes and mushrooms that I'm going to be adding into my eggs, and I'm going to puree this into like a smooth, not entirely smooth, but sort of a smoothish coarse paste. So next I'm just going to be cracking my eggs, and I'm going to be adding my tomato paste and tomato paste mixture. I'm going to be adding it into that. I'm going to be using the electric whisk to whisk my egg. You see that this tool is so versatile. And instead of you using the fork and wasting time, so just whip out the electric whisk and just whisk it. And this of course makes it to be more fluffy and very nice. So I'm just gonna whisk this, and then once it's properly whisked, I'm gonna add my tomato, onion and mushroom mixture into this. And then of course I'll just be frying. If you all know how to fry eggs, so this is just gonna be simple frying of eggs. I'm gonna be making it into very scrambled eggs, and that's the way I want to make this particular fried egg. So that's it, guys. My egg is ready, and I'm just gonna take some slices of bread, and I'm gonna make a little bit of avocado, and I have my breakfast. I have my overnight oat, and I have my fried eggs with a side of bread and avocado. So that's it. It's very easy, and this is something you can actually do, for your breakfast. It doesn't really take a lot of time. It's something that is also very nutritious and really balanced in terms of your nutrients. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you try this. Please don't forget to check out Kitchen Joint. Their link is below this to get your own Immersion Blender set. Thank you and have a great day. Bon appetit.